Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we'll show you how to reorder items on your dashboard and manage their visibility to create a more organized and efficient layout. For convenience, we'll handle the adjustments from the mobile app while observing the results on the display. Start by opening the menu, go to Settings, then tap on Dashboards. Select the Academy dashboard, tap on it to IOs, and you'll see a list of all the items currently on the dashboard. Each IO has a handle on the side. Tap and hold it to drag and reorder. For example, if we move an item down and save the changes, it immediately shifts position on the dashboard. The order follows the list. First IO on top, second next to it, and so on. Keep in mind, every IO is fully functional regardless of position. If, for instance, you move the humidity sensor to the bottom and save, it will now appear last on the dashboard. However, placing sensors or humidity at the top might disrupt the overall layout. For a clean and readable dashboard, we recommend putting doors at the top, followed by heaters, boilers, lamps, and finally sensors. To hide items from the dashboard, simply tap on them again in the list and deselect their visibility. For example, you can hide the boiler and heater with a few taps, and they'll disappear both from the display and your phone. If you'd like to have a different layout on your phone compared to the display, you can create separate dashboards for each. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.